tutandika okwogera ndowooza ne besoogera bya revision nti tugenda kumyutinga kakati because tugenda okay, our dear students over there, this is our simple homemade laboratory. So as I told you, we are going to discuss acids and bases. So always from early classes we have been looking at actually from senior one we have been looking at chemicals, their composition and the formula, but right now we are going to look at what we call an acid. So I think at an early stage we have ever tested lemons, mangoes, tomatoes and so on. So they had a funny taste, and that taste was a sour taste. So what do you think they were sour? So they were just sour simply because they had acids in them. So what you are going to see here is a combination of acids in what we are calling or in the local materials, the foods we eat, and also the commercially manufactured. So we have to start with, this is a tomato. So this tomato has lycopene. Apart from lycopene, it has an acid, and that acid is the oxalic acid, and that one is an organic acid, then still applies to this one. So when we come to the lemons, these are lemons. So these lemons, I think all of you have ever tasted them and have that sharp sour taste. So the sour taste comes from the acid they do have, and the acid found within them here, that is what we call the citric acid. Then with me here, this is the vinegar, and this vinegar is normally used to is sprinkled on salads to preserve them, to clean tiles, to clean glasses. But now what is in the vinegar? So this vinegar is called acetic acid, and within this acetic acid, or chemistry wise, it is called ethanoic acid. So we have very many acids. When you look at this one, this is milk, and this milk has coagulated. Now it is sour milk. So what has made this milk go bad? They are the bacteria. So as the bacteria have been feeding on the sugars within this one, the lactose, so they have produced an acid, and that acid is called lactic acid. So chemistry is very important, and chemistry is everywhere we are living. Within the foods we eat, within our locality, it is full of chemistry. Then we are with me, this is the tea, and this tea also has acids, and the acids within this tea they are just called tannic acid. So that is chemistry within our locality. So as you are at home, you can also try to find out which other chemicals, which other foods that contain acids. For example, the butter we eat, the meat we do eat, it has fats, and those fats have acids. Then again, when you look at the grapes, we have the tamarids and so on. Even the banana. So the banana itself has acids. So those acids for today we have been discussing, they are called organic acid. So to make you recall what we said an acid was, we say that an acid, this is a substance, when we dissolve it in water, it produces hydrogen ions as positively charged ions. So try to find out other acids found in various foods like the grapes, the tamarids, the onions, and so on.